Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Efsane Airdrop, Efsane token distribution ongoing. So go and recheck your airdrop allocation. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. So right here, if you go to your Efsane, the technical issue, the maintenance is over. You can easily access your account without stress. So go and check. If you look over here, if you register early on Efsane, they gave us 30 EFS, and right now they have issued the airdrop distribution which they claim they are going to give us this month, and they have given us 2 EFS. So we are having a total of 32 EFS, which is equivalent to $96. For this are for the people that register early, and for people that register late, my second account, what they gave me there was 20 EFS. So if you registered late, you are going to receive 20. Adding it up to the 2 EFS, you are going to receive 22. That 22 will be around 60 something dollars, which is still massive. So that is the latest update. Yesterday they gave us an update that the file chain they issued to us was by a mistake. Look at what they said here. Special note, due to UI system upgrade, some users experienced an issue with file being mistakenly sent yesterday. This has been fully resolved, and the final reward EFS has been correctly distributed. Please rest assured to check. So that was the update, and I made a video about that yesterday. That's the file we receive there by mistake, and they are going to resend our EFS which they promised us. So go and check your wallet. And here also they made it in us to understand that EFS will be officially listed on exchanges this month. So this month of October, hopefully there is going to go live on different exchange, either this month or beginning of next month. We don't know, but let's just keep our finger crossed and stay tuned for their latest update. So right now, let's just be calm and stop all those harsh words. Let's just give them a benefit of doubt. We have been calm for more than 8 months, so let's just be calm and wait for the official listing of the EFS. They have distributed the 2 EFS tokens to us, so it is now left for them to give us the exchanges which we can claim this token. So that is it. I believe everybody can access their accounts now. Due to overwhelming popularity of this super airdrop event, a large number of users had overflooded the website, simultaneously causing traffic congestion and delay. So that was the reason they gave yesterday. Many people were on the site trying to check their allocation, and it caused a traffic jam. Thereby, the system has to break down, but everything is rectified now. So go and check your airdrop. Go and check your airdrop and know how many they gave you in return. So there is nothing much here apart from normal daily check-in. The only thing you can do here is just to do the normal daily check-in. If you click on the personal center, you sign in, that's all. And if you have not linked your wallet, I've made a video on how to import the contract address and copy your receiving address, which is Binance Smart Chain PEP20 USDT. You paste it here so that whenever this token goes live, it will be easy for you to withdraw. So make sure you are active. Keep on checking in. That's the only thing you need to do. Keep on checking in. If you have friends that you can invite, you can still invite your friends to earn rewards. So basically, this is their latest update. I believe you got value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.